Go downstairs and find them.
Can't find them.
They're probably gone. A lizard might have jacked them.
And why did it take, Jacqueline, did they say it's going to take that long to get his glasses back?
It took that long just to get a hold of the insurance.
Right.
Yeah, they could call him and...
He's already in the computer automatically done.
Well, they said that, you know, the insurance information
to
changed.
too.
Dad doesn't check if it's changed.
Oh, bullshit.
Yeah, I know.
I would have told him off.
Yeah, that's you, Dad.
Well, Tyler told me it seemed like they were...
What's
going
that
to
noise?
glasses I don't know, what noise?
Oh, baby, you missed it.
That one's cool.
It was all purple, then it went from one side to the other side like a pink.
Well, I've got a
And then-
video,
And then
so
it all went the glittery, like you like.
I have a video.
Way
You
at
can
the bottom
rewatch
one.
it.
You
I
can
blame
zoom
Dad
that
and
thing.
Laurel.
No, I can't. It won't let me.
Don't let you
You have to pre-zoom it first, then video it.
God.
You notice that one was slightly different colored on top?
Mm-hmm. They've done a couple like that.
See, that one I liked. See, those ones are my favorite too.
I like that one. That was awesome.
This is a ton I like. See? Blowy up ones. That one's cool. I add that one to my favorites. I think I like fire just because they're shiny. I don't like the red and green ones. I've never liked those ones. That looks like a human face. You can see all the smoke there.
Mm-hmm.